Yeah, man. This is gonna be my last shit for the day. I just put up 3 videos. I'm gonna try to hit y'all with something every time I get the fucking chance to fucking just do this and let off this frustration. But you know, did something for the ladies. Did a play around joint. Now I'm, do a little something else. A couple balls. Something like nothing major. I'm not gonna give you nothing major right now. Like, are you serious? Like, this ain't nothing, man. But listen to this. You don't ride with them young money niggas. Them young dummy niggas. You tell them like this though. It's your motherfucking boy, Spaz J88. Listen, I said you know what's the problem when I run up with the gun up. Your life will be gone as soon as you hear the gun bust the ball block them to 4-1 grand slam. You know your boy stay with the bats like I was man. Look at me wrong, go even look at them wrong. The nine had him running like he was a Flintstone. You catch me on the block, the man I'm always holding, cause I stay on my toes like Fred Flintstone when he rolling. Niggas always run around, false claiming in the game. That's when they see sparks like a LA game. But I ain't talking Lakers or even the Clippers. I'm talking I load the clip up and bullets just hit his ribs up. So what he gotta do? What he shoot? These pussy niggas wearing Timbs, I call them puss in boots. And I ain't worried about the tracks, cause you's a herb dude. Cause I got way more hooks than Larry Bird dudes. Cause who but me stay fresh in the scene? I'm quick on my feet, my pockets back. Call them OBs, catch me on the rock, maneuver the rock till I drop. Gun game like MJ at 3. I pick it pop, ball game like the pick it roll. Then I give it go. Usually I'm getting 3, but today I'm getting 4. Normally get so much calls, get so much hoes. Now I flip so much dough, thinking it's a piece of stove. Normally get them by the holes. Now I'm getting gas, breaking down to the coals. Yeah, I'm doing math, catch me running in the light, in and out of the jag. But 60 on the dash, man, we gotta get the check. For the cash, I stick 'em up, let the king rip 'em up. Bullets like bloods, man, then fucking hit 'em up. Tupac style, ambitious as a rider, over nines like spinal tap steak, can hit your spine up. Now your squad needs sponsors with no armor, like Yankees, Iraqis, I'm a bomber. You already know that your boy stay strapped, but I ain't talking about the condoms or them backpack. This shit motherfucking boys spaz up on the shit, going like cardiac arrest on this bitch, cause my heart about to stop, but the spitting never stop, cause I get before you got, motherfucking this is hot. Nigga act up and you get your fucking pop on where you stay right there, right where you drive. R.I.P. Y'all Benito, you already know y'all not seeing S.P.A.Z. Yo. And that's something like something real like. And then I go off on it. And then I go off on it. And then I go off on it. Should I go off on it? Motherfucker like this. Psych.